Welcome to Engineering Solutions. In this video, we will see the types of lever. Man has used lever from long time to make his work easy. A lever is a rigid rod pivoted at fixed point called as fulcrum. Here is schematic representation of a lever. Levers are classified into three types on basis of relative position of load, efforts, and fulcrum. To understand load, effort, and fulcrum, let us view simple example of moving boulder with the crowbar. In this example, the force applies on crowbar is called as efforts, and weight moved by crowbar is called as load, and the point at which crowbar is pivoted is called as fulcrum. Let's move towards the types of lever. There are three classes of lever. In first class, fulcrum is in between load and effort. And some example of first class are crowbar, scissor, seesaw, and pliers. In second class, load is in between efforts and fulcrum. An example of second class: bottle opener, wheelbarrow. In third class, effort is in between load and fulcrum. An example of third class is tongs. It is very simple to solve the numerical problems of a lever. Here d1 is the distance of efforts from point of fulcrum, and d2 is the distance of a load from a point of fulcrum. Simply calculate a moment at point F, that is fulcrum. For this, take a proper sign of positive and negative for load, as well as clockwise and anti-clockwise moment. Here I take downward positive and upward negative, and clockwise positive and anti-clockwise negative. So you will get the equation in this way: L d2 minus E d1 is equal to 0, and after that L d2 is equal to E d1. In this way you can find out load, efforts, and any distance as per requirement.